Hello everybody, Mike here. So we have an emergency situation. My coffee maker broke. So ordered this on Amazon, 2-day delivery. There it is, first look. Sealed very well. It comes with the reusable filter, so that's awesome. Usually you have to purchase those separately. It's got the nice LCD screen. Very simple. You can turn it on and off to start. The minute and the hour button. So it sets a time. You can program it to start, and you can change the strength. So there's the first brew. Starting it up. It took about 5-6 minutes to run. There was some lines on the top from the plastic, but just wiped it down, came out easily. So we're going to give this a few minutes, and then we're going to see how the coffee tastes once it's done. All right, so the coffee is ready. Steaming hot. We're going to pour it in. So it's like steaming a lot more than I usually see it. But once I put the creamer in, it wasn't that hot. But not a big deal. Normally, I have to put it in the microwave to heat it up because I like my coffee hot. That's just me. But overall verdict, definitely like this so far. I hope it lasts a long time, but it's a nice looking coffee maker, and I am happy with the purchase.